Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be good. So guys, today I will make teddy bear. This teddy bear for general reveal cake. So we will make two teddy bear, but first video I will show you one teddy bear, and second video I will show you another teddy bear. So guys, first I took 32 gram body, then I take 8 gram leg. I give both shape. After giving shape, we will fix this one on the body. So guys, and you have to be careful how to make hair. So you can make also hair on nozzle, grass nozzle, or you want to make dot nozzle, that one also you can use. Look, I show you. But please, when you make the hair of teddy bear, don't put only hole. No need to put like that. You have to press little bit outside like this. You can use anything, cutter or grass nozzle or border nozzle, anything you can use, but don't put only hole. You have to remove outside little bit, put inside and little bit make out, so it will looks more nice, looks like hair. Then I will add this one on the leg like this. After, I am using this one always to make the texture, but if you don't have, you can use that one also. I show you nozzle or cutter or something, but don't only make hole. You have to press little bit outside like this. After, I will make another also same like, because I told you already we have two teddy bears, because this one gender reveal. We will make one pink and we will make another blue color. So guys, my English little bit corrupt, so if I told something not correct, then please forgive me. Now I make blue color for dress. I will put this one on it because this for a boy. So I make blue color like this. You have to also put on it like this same. After, we will make hand. You have to same follow like this, same process you have to do. After hand, I took hand 5 gram. I forgot to tell you like this. After same, you have to cover like this, only put little water, and this one already ready like this. Again, you have to make texture same like this. Look, now we will make face. I took face 37 gram like this. You have to make shape. After, again same like this, you have to press this one on middle like this. Same you can see on the video like this. After, you make one straight line and you have to make this one like this face. After, you make eyes, but please don't make eyes too much far, only near like this. I show you already in video. After, you have to give texture, then like this you have to make ear like this. Same you have to follow, and again like this blue, because we make this one for a boy, that's why we put blue. Again, only eyes and nose. So eyes make same both eyes like this, and nose I already put, only now need to fix everything like this only. Now we put stick like this. After cut, and after put the face on the body, and then only hand put, because one hand is covering on the mouth, and put ears. Now our teddy bear ready. Thank you.